This is where Kitchen Creek runs under 118. So I've crossed 118 and now we're going to go see Adams Fall, which is the one fall that is outside of the Falls Trail and on the other side of Route 118 here at the Evergreen parking lot. So behind me is Adams Fall. This is a 36-foot waterfall. It's on the other side of 118 at Evergreen parking lot. It's not included in the Falls Trail. So there's 21 waterfalls in the Fall Trail, and then there's this one here, extra, still in Kitchen Creek, but on the other side of 118. So it's a really deep ravine here at Adams Fall. It's pretty impressive looking. So apparently Adams Fall is named after a watchman named Adam Hale, who was a watchman here 100 years ago. So Adams Fall is what they call a Bridalsdale Fall because it falls down in a cascading way, I guess similar to a Bridesdale. There's a trail here around Adams Falls called the Evergreen Trail. It's just a small little loop. So I can just take this little auxiliary trail here back to 118. It's not the same one that I came down on to see Adams Fall. Actually, it looks pretty derelict, so I think I'm going to turn back and go the way I came. Thanks for joining me here at Adams Waterfall. It's been a nice walk and I hope you enjoyed. And join me next time in the fourth part of this series when we visit the Upper Falls.